going to take a look at a couple of the homework questions from section 1.4a. They're already worked through right here, but we can look at answers that were submitted, and then we can try to determine how we could have come up with the correct answers. So this first question asks us to find the slope of the line passing through the given points, then state whether it's increasing, decreasing, horizontal, or vertical. And so we have 2 points here that we're going to work with. I'm going to pull this other screen up here. I know that if I want to find the equation for slope, I have this formula for slope that I'm going to use, and it uses the ordered pairs as the first one being x1, y1, second one is x2, y2. Then I subtract the 2 y coordinates and subtract the 2 x coordinates. Okay? So the information that we're given uses the ordered pairs as -2, 1 and as 5, -5. Those are the 2 ordered pairs that we're told. And we're going to use the formula here for slope. I'm going to copy that. All right. Now, the second y value is -5, so I'm going to plug that in, minus the first y value is 1. The second x value is 5. Plug that in, minus the first x value is -2. Oops. Okay, so now we have a new fraction here. Click. There we go. And so I subtract across the top. -5 minus 1 is -6. Subtract across the bottom. Actually, I'll turn that into an addition, because I have the 2 negatives right there, so that's really a 5 plus 2 is 7. And so that gives us a slope for these 2 points of -6/7. You can see that that was the correct answer for this one. Okay. Because it is a negative value, also want to note, by the way, that it does not matter if I keep the negative in the numerator or if I rewrite it like it was written on my Math Lab page as negative in front of the fraction, 6/7. They are equivalent. So either way that had been typed in, either of those would have been okay. The negative can be in the numerator or out in front of the entire fraction. Both fine. Okay? Because it's negative, we're decreasing. Let's pick another one. Take a look at it. I'm going to jump to, let's see, number 5 here. It's a similar question. We'll just work through one more similar one. Okay, this one had points that were -6, -3, and -2, 17. Okay, so I'm going to take these out. If I grab that formula back up here again, might help. Okay, all right, and again, I say it with the second y value, y2 is 17, first y value. So the y value is the second coordinate. Second y value is 17. First y value is -3. Oops, -3. There we go. Then it's second x value. That is -2 minus first x value. That's -6. I'm going to simplify that. Okay. So it's a plus on the top. 17 minus a -3 is 17 plus 3. That's going to add up to 20. And in the bottom, -2 minus -6 is -2 plus 6. -2 plus 6 is 4. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 5 is our slope. If we check that, you can see that, yes, the slope is 5. And because it's a positive value, we would check the increasing box.